There's a need to calm down from the force of extreme, from the growing obscenity. My sensations have blown out of proportion from the field saturation, from dedication to the walls of distortion. Sing it out now. Take a look around at the density of sound. And what do you hear? Is it just another waste of fear, or is it profound there in the sound? There's a thread in this town, and it's yet to be seen, and it's gonna be leading in the things that we've known all of our lives. From the fields of devotion, we've had the notion it's coming through the distortion. Sing it out now. Take a look around at the density of sound. And what do you hear? Is it just another waste of fear, or is it profound there in the sound? The subconscious is down, 'cause it's overly keen to show subliminal messaging we're refusing to own. Missing connection, refusing reflection, causing depression from lying deception. Falling under, nullifying, let's asunder, sense depriving. Can you hear it? Sense it, fear it. The threat is here, and you better believe it. Sing it out now. Take a look around at the density of sound. And what do you hear? Is it just another waste of fear, or is it profound there in the sound? Sing it out now. Take a look around at the density of sound. What do you hear? Is it just another